Advanced. Meaning. Advanced refers to something that is at a higher or more developed stage, indicating a level of progress, skill, or technology that is beyond the usual or basic. Definition. Advanced is an adjective used to describe things that are more complex, sophisticated, or ahead of others in development, such as advanced technology, skills, or knowledge. Examples in sentences. 1. The university offers advanced courses in computer science. Here, advanced refers to courses that are more difficult or specialized, meant for students with a higher level of knowledge or experience. 2. She is an advanced player in the chess tournament. In this sentence, advanced describes her high skill level in chess, indicating that she is beyond the beginner or intermediate stages. Usage. Advanced is often used in educational, technological, and professional contexts to describe high-level skills, techniques, or stages in a process or field of study.
English practice.